beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful bottle decor piece. This DIY is very easy to create and it's fun. Most importantly, this DIY does not require much time and this beautiful piece gets ready within no time. So if you guys are ready, let's quickly begin. Alright guys, so for this project I have used a glass bottle, some acrylic colors, and today I'm going to use 3 different colors: yellow, white and green. Now taking the help of the other side of the brush, I'm going to make dot. This technique is really easy to create perfect dots. Now this dot will help me to create petals all around it. It will act like a guide to draw petals all around. Now using just one stroke, I'm making petals. You can use any color, but I preferred yellow color because this is so vibrant, bright, and it is so fresh. When you look at it, it really looks beautiful. Now let's quickly make flowers all around the body of the bottle. As you can see, just one stroke and the petals are ready. Here's a reminder guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get updates of all my latest videos whenever I upload one. Alright guys, so once I have painted flowers all around the body of the bottle, this is how it looks. Isn't it looking beautiful? Now for the bottle neck, I have mixed white and green color to get this beautiful rustic shade, and I'm just painting the top part of the neck. Now I'm also going to use the same color to paint the center of the flowers by creating dots. This is going to enhance the look of the flowers. One by one, I'm going to paint dots all around. Coming back to the neck of the bottle, I'm going to create tiny flowers, same way like how I created the larger flowers at the body of the bottle. Just scatter these tiny flowers all around and this will even enhance the look. In order to give a distressed look, I'm just running the brush with the yellow color on top of this green color shade. Try this guys, this looks beautiful. And also making dots at the center of the tiny flowers. And this is how it looks once it is completed guys. This looks so beautiful. It is a very simple technique to create this bottle DIY decor piece, and trust me, it will not take much time. You can also add some fairy lights to it and use as a lamp. Let me know how you like this DIY in the comment section below, and if you really like this video, please hit the like button guys, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it guys. I would love to see if you recreate this DIY. Do tag me, my socials are listed below. Thank you so much for watching guys. I love you all so much. Take care of yourselves. I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.